don't listen to anything other than Miss Rachel at the moment. It's like, can I say Miss Rachel? Man on fire. Coffee. I wanted to be a radio presenter, and then I heard my voice back on tape and it's awful. Internet shopping, because I hate going to shops. It's too stressful. Meat. Couldn't be a vegetarian, sorry. And my car. Can't do public transport. Flying. Standard. Flying. Madeira. Little Portuguese island. My family are there. It's just relaxed. In. Always in. Chorizo pizza with hot honey drizzle. Let's talk to animals. I don't listen to anything other than Miss Rachel at the moment. It's like, can I say Miss Rachel? I don't know. Listen to Row Row Your Boat on repeat. Let's go row row your boat. It'd be someone like the Kardashians, where I can just be on my yacht when I want to. Dogs. Gordon Ramsay. Obviously why. I'd bring back my dog Bobby. Baroness Brady. Oh, Denzel Washington. Awesome. A musical instrument, like piano, would be good. 18, because it was just lots of fun. Just no worries. Cheese. Short series don't count, do they? It's only 4 episodes. Does it? It was Adolescence, watched in one night. David Clode, our ops manager, he would get us through anything. He could build me a raft, make a shelter, kill an animal to eat, do everything. I'm from South Africa originally.